Good morning, good morning, good morning to you and you and you and you. Good morning, you guys. How you doing? It's Tuesday morning and wow, we are still on cloud nine from my sister and Tony's wedding, the Johnsons. If you were there, you saw it. Oh my gosh. So amazing, so beautiful, so incredible. My sister, wow. So we're still on cloud nine. I'm here just getting my exercise in, but we got inspired. We got really inspired. We did a Zoom. We had over 50 people on the Zoom. So what it did was it inspired us. We want to talk to our customers. We want to talk to our friends that we haven't talked to in a long time. So we're going to do a Zoom this Friday. We're going to do a Zoom. It's going to be crazy. I already know. And in the Zoom, we're going to do a giveaway. We're making up a big old juicy box and we're going to give it away on the Zoom. So stay tuned for details. I'm going to make the flyers, set up the Zoom meeting and put it on social media so you guys can register and come to our Zoom on Friday. We're going to have a Zoom Friday party where you'll be able to ask anything you want to ask about our oil, about our boxes, about our body butter or lip balm, all of the stuff. So you'll be able to get it all in and we can't wait. So until then, I'm here. I'm going to do my daily routine. Yep. I have to put this on every day so I don't burn up. I'm about to get my swim in. Yes, Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. Yes, beautiful sunscreen for me. Beautiful moisturizer for my 54-year-old body. All right, we'll see you. So wait for those details for the Zoom on Friday. Can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.